Dear students, today we are going to discuss in detail about logo procedures, how to create it, how to save it, how to load it, and even how to edit it, means to make some changes in the logo procedure. Logo procedure. A logo procedure is a set of commands given in a particular order. It is saved under name so that the procedure can complete a task by simply typing the procedure name instead of typing lengthy commands again and again. For example, the command repeat fd1 rt1 to draw a circle can be saved under procedure name circle. So when we execute the procedure circle, logo draws a circle. We can save any number of procedures in logo. So dear students, the logo procedure is same as that of the programs that we write for the other programming languages or other computer languages. So this is the first step where you are going to learn how to write a program, but here we say it as a procedure. When we'll grow up and you are going to learn a different programming language, for example QBasic, Visual Basic, Python, etc. In those, when you write a set of commands to do a particular job, of course these set of commands are given a particular order, and those set of commands are known as programs. Let us start the procedure name house. The first title, to house, is the title. After that, repeat for FD100 RT90, PU RT90 FD25. This part is the body part. The next is the end part of the procedure. Now let us see the practically how we can write the procedure in logo. So see the screen here. Now here I am writing to house. Enter. As soon as enter, you get input mode where you are going to get the input box, and here you are going to write the procedure commands one by one. Don't worry, if it is wrong we can correct it. I will show you. Repeat 4, then FD100 RT90, enter. Then PU RT90 FD25 LT90, then PD, enter. Then repeat to FD75 RT90 FD50 RT90, close the bracket, press OK, and then write the end. So the procedure is going to end here. So you see here it is said as house defined, means the procedure is defined. Now let me call the procedure. I can simply write HOUSE house. See, the house has been created. So here the first repeat command is going to make the bigger square. Then we have moved from this position, that is the starting position, to this position by the second set of commands, that is PU RT90 FD25 LT90 PD. The third repeat command, the third set of command here, the repeat 2, is forming the inner rectangle. So in this way we have created the particular house with the help of a logo procedure. We don't have to write the particular command set of commands again. For example, I am clearing the screen CS. Say I am clearing the text also. Now I am doing something, say FD100. Okay, I don't want this, so I am pressing CS. Then I want the create the house again, so I can simply type the house and press enter. See, I don't have to write the whole set of commands again. So this is the use of a procedure, and here what we are doing, here we are writing the steps. These are the steps which the particular logo is following internally because it is saved. So I hope you have understood. So dear students, now we'll see how we are going to draw the particular figure which is given and with the help of a procedure. Remember, whenever I say procedure, procedure have three parts. Very first is the title part or the name part, second is the body part, and third is the end part. So very first we are going to give the name to the procedure. Okay, so here I am writing 2 to say figure 1. As soon as you press enter, you will find a procedure box appear, and in that input box you are going to type the commands. So first I'm going to draw the rectangle. Okay, the first rectangle. For that I will directly write the repeat command, repeat 2 FD40 RT90, then FD30 RT90. Done. Next, what I can do, once I have done this rectangle, my turtle is here. So I can move this turtle from here to this position. So for that I have to write the set of commands. So I am writing here RT90. Then if you enter a command wrong, doesn't matter, you can later on edit it. So after FD30 I have to give PU command because I have to jump 20 steps. So FD20, then pen down, then your LT90. Done. So I place after this particular command, I will place my turtle again the same position. Okay, so I am pressing enter. Now again I'm going to write the repeat command. Now this repeat command I can avoid if I can make a particular procedure for the rectangle that I will show in the next step. Okay, so repeat 2 FD40 RT90 FD30 RT90. So done. We'll write END. Enter. So the figure 1 is defined now. So if I type here figure 1, okay, see this has been drawn. Now whatsoever we are doing, okay, it is in the RAM, that is the working space of the logo procedure of the MSW logo. If I come out of the logo, say I'm closing the logo, then what will happen? I can't do it again. Okay, so let me show you. I'm closing it. It is saying you will lose any, see what it is saying. If you don't save your workspace to disk. So let me don't save it. I'm not saving it now. Say okay. So now if I go and again open logo, see what happens. I have the logo. Now if I type figure 1, see what happens. Oh my god, it has gone. So what to do now? So always remember whatsoever you are doing, okay, in logo or whatsoever particular program you are programming language you are using, or even the MS Word, PowerPoint, whatsoever, every at the beginning, if you have not saved anything, it is stored in the RAM. Once you come out of the program or you switch off the computer, the content of the RAM will be gone. As we said, RAM is a volatile memory. Okay, so we have to save it. So now let me again show you with a much better way. Now I'm going to write the procedure for the rectangle so that I don't have to write the command for rectangle again. So now see here. So I'll start by writing 2. So let me first do the rectangle to rect. Then I'll tap repeat FD, repeat 2, FD40, RT90, FD30, RT90. Done. Enter. END. Good. So the rectangle is defined. Now, what I will do, I'll write the procedure for this figure now. Say figure 1. Enter. So I will not write the command for drawing the first rectangle. So I'm writing this rect. Then I will do RT90, then FD30, then pen up to jump FD20 steps, then pen down, then LT90, so that my turtle again comes in the starting position in this way here. So done. Then I will again type rect, press OK, and then this is finished. And now if I type figure 1, so let me type figure 1, enter. See, as we have discussed earlier how to save a procedure, so let us see it again in theoretical form. When we create and save a procedure in Logo workspace, what is a Logo workspace? It is a space in RAM where Logo is loaded and all the commands are written in that space. We can execute the Logo procedure only in the current session if it is not saved. So to be able to access and execute it later, we must save it permanently on the computer, means to save in hard disk or other storage devices. A Logo file is saved with file extension .lgo. Load command. Loading a procedure means calling it from the computer hard drive to the Logo workspace. Loading a procedure is like opening a saved file. We can execute a procedure only after we load it. Execute means also run. To load a procedure, we type load followed by double inverted commas and the name of the procedure and then press enter. For example, load square. If this is not working, there's another way which I will show you practically. Dear students, if I now write figure 1, let me press execute. So it is saying I don't know how to figure 1 because I have not saved the procedure. So I have to save the procedure first before coming out of the logo. So I have to do it again now. So let's do. So first I will draw the rectangle, the procedure for rectangle. To rect, repeat 2, FD40, RT90, FD30, RT90. So done. Then END. So rectangle defined. Now I'm going to define the procedure for this figure. To figure 1, I will call the rectangle procedure here. Then I will jump. I have to move this turtle from here to this position as we discussed earlier. So I will type the command RT90 FD30, then PU, then FD20, then PD, then LT90. Then again I will call the RECT, press OK, then END. So done. Now I will type FIG1. Done. Okay. Now let me see my procedure. So this is the procedure that I have written. Now I'll go here, save and exit. This is just to show you can also edit it here. So save and exit. Now go to file here and save. Now once you press save, then it will ask you to save in a particular directory. You can create your own directory in a particular drive. Say I am creating in F drive. Create a new folder in it, in the drive of your choice. You can give the name. Say I am giving class 4. Open it. Now let the procedure name here be the one which I have given the main procedure name, say figure 1, so it is easier for us to remember. Save. So done. Now let me take CS, and then if I type this checking figure 1. Okay, now I am closing the, okay, I'm writing here by. Now I am opening the logo again, and now let me type figure 1. Oh no, it is not showing because I have to load it in the workspace. So I have to call it from the hard disk, from the location where I have saved it. So if I give here load, and then this is the one which is written in the book. So let me try this one. So it is not able to open. So what I have to do, I am going to file, go to load, and see, and click on the particular file that you have saved, name figure 1, open. Now you type figure 1. Done. So I hope it is clear now that how you are going to create a procedure, and how you are going to save a procedure, how you are going to load a procedure, and then how you are going to execute it again. So dear students, let us now try to draw this figure. Now in this figure we have 3 rectangles. The outermost is a square, then there is a rectangle, and then there is a small rectangle. So it is just representing like a house having a window on the top. So let us try this. So first I am going to write the procedure for the small rectangle and the square. And since there is no more rectangles, only one of different types, so I can even start from, dear students, in this figure we are having 3 different shapes. The outermost is a square, then inner one is a rectangle, the window one is again a small square. So what I can do now here, I will not use the repeat command onto or a particular logo procedure to draw the different shapes. I will use directly the logo procedure name to draw this figure, because The other procedure names are not going to help me out because I have to write the whole full command. So to say I'm giving figure 2. So let me draw the outermost square first. So this is repeat 2, repeat 4, FD 60, RT 90. Then now after that I'm here, so I will have to turn right and come here. Okay, so I am giving RT 90, then FD 20, then LT 90. So after that I will reach here. Now I'm going to draw this rectangle, that is the door one. So I will type repeat to FD 30, RT 90, FD 20, RT 90. Done. Now I reach here. I have to jump from here to here. Since the line is already there, so I can jump directly. So it is 30 plus 15, that is 45. So I can give the command pu fd 45 pd. Okay, done. Now I reach here. See, you have to remember. Okay, so I reach here. So I have to make a square of 10 steps. So repeat 4 FD10. Now this is LT90. Done. Enter. Then say END. So let me try say figure 2. Okay, that triangle is obscuring the figure, so I will hide turtle. So see, it is showing the figure to me. So I hope you have understood what to do. Now suppose I have to again draw another small this square here. Can I do? Yes, I can do. I can edit it. Okay, but before edit I have to first save it. Remember that. So I'm going to file and I'm going to save. Okay, let me first. Now I can go to edit. I want this figure too. Now see here. Now since I said edit, so I can now edit here. So after this I reach, if you see, okay, minimize it. See, I am here after this particular T90, I am somewhere here. Okay, so I want to draw here. So this is 30. Yeah, this is 20. So I have to turn, I'm doing it here directly. I have to turn RT90, RT, RT90, then PU, then FD, FD20, then PD, then LT90. Then now I want RT. So repeat 4 FD10 RT90. So then go to File, Save and Exit. Now let me type cs command and now give figure 2. See, it is done. So you can go to File. Of course, you can save it as a different name also. Say save as. Now you can give figure 2. Save. Now let me call this. Now you can see the same thing. Yes. Now if I close it, okay, say bye. Done. Then open. I'll go to File, Load, figure 2, open, and if I type figure 2, see, done. I hope it is clear to you now. Please practice. So dear students, I'm sure you have understood what is a procedure, how to write a procedure, how to save a procedure, how to load a procedure, and how to run or execute a procedure. Practice it, then you will understand in a much better way. So till the next class, bye bye. Have a nice time.